Yo, hello. So, okay, I'm back. I passed my evals. Um, so here still didn't update, but I passed three sets, and yes, I passed those. Um, okay, so I'm not gonna review the whole week because this week was genuinely the most stressful week I ever had in the last 6 months. Without a fucking doubt, the price action was awful for me, awful for my friend as well, and we were just crashing out. I took so many trades this week, so many. So I don't remember when was the last video. I think maybe it was last Friday, I think, or I don't remember. But so here I took two trades, ended up break even for the day. Here I took two trades, won 800, lost 400. Why? Why did I take the second one? Because when I won this one, I was $820 up for the day. I needed 350 more to pass my account. So I went for the 350 and I lost. So I was 780 to pass my accounts after this day, which is what I risked in here. Lost it, but I didn't lose one trade here. I lost two trades. I took $350 first and then $380 after. I lost both. Okay, I lost both. And today I took the only trade that I actually consider like a B plus of the week. The rest was not good. I took it and I won today. But I swear to God, like such a bad day, like such a bad week. Well, I didn't end up like bad on the week. Obviously, I passed my evals, so my goal was achieved this week. But holy fucking moly, this shit was stressful. Um, yeah. Anyway, here, I have a discrepancy on the accounts. As you guys can see, one of them is on 500, one of them is on 767. I'm gonna explain this shit, okay? So Monday, whatever, because I need to enter both of them separately. Okay, so I need to enter both of them like, press buy on one, change to press buy on the other one, or whatever. Monday, I took a break even, like with this break even small loss because my break even was like in a position that price could go back for. I put like a $40 loss on one and 30 on the other one because like I said, I tried to enter on the same price, but it doesn't enter. Okay, Tuesday, so I'll count this day as a break even, even though it was a small loss. But break even for me on Monday. Tuesday, both accounts you can see a loss, right? Both accounts you can see a loss. So this day I took a loss. I took a loss on a winning day. Like I was risking one um 120 ish. Entered a little bit later on this one, or I added one more contract. I don't fucking remember what exactly it was, but there was something that pissed me off. Really, Tuesday I ended up today being very mad, very mad, especially because of this too. Anyway, so Tuesday, terrible day. Wednesday, yeah, Wednesday I didn't take nothing. This wasn't really a trade. I just misclicked on the fucking charts, but I didn't enter any trades. Like I closed it immediately right after. Okay, yesterday you guys can see that I took a break even on this one and a $225 this one. Now let me tell you. So yesterday I was also trading, as you can see, on my account, okay, and I was focused on the evals, but I had two trades going on at the same time. I entered longs first, okay. I entered longs first, then I got a break even. After 30 minutes, like the price was just ranging, I got a break even. Then I decided, okay, I'm gonna short this. We failed to deliver higher. I'm gonna short this, just like I did on Wednesday, and I won on my evals. So I shorted. Problem. I shorted, and I was on a trade on my eval, so I had my shit on the eval. Okay, like my screen was on the eval, and I moved one account to break even, and the other one I didn't because I moved it to break even and I went immediately back to my eval trade, okay? Because I was focused on that. That was more important for me. I don't care about the XFAs. I already took two payouts on them, so I care about evas. And I moved one of them to break even, and thankfully I did not move the other one to break even because I took my full win. I took my full win on this one, but now I have a massive discrepancy in between the accounts, But I'm actually so glad that I did that because I am like this account is pretty good, way better than this one for sure. Like I have $260 more in here, in here. So anyway, But yeah, so I passed my evals. The trade for today, there's a lot of messages. Okay, the trades for today, I took. Well, not trades. No, the trade for today, I took. I added more contracts on the way down. By the way, I'm gonna explain. So yeah, 1 minute. Let me check. Okay, so let me explain. Okay, real quick. Market opens here. We deliver lower. Okay, we deliver lower, and I'm like, fuck, bro. Wait, but we had like, I don't think I took it to this low. I think I deleted the low that I took. Oh wait, maybe I can get it now. Can you please stop step? Just load it, please, 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 please. Oh, we did. Legend. Okay. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure I took it to this low. There was 4 hour low here. You know, there were almost equal lows, like 4 hours, almost equal lows, both 4 hours, and this one, this small low before those lows. I only needed 1,500, but I did not want to get edged for no fucking way. Like there was no way I wanted to get edged on this. So what happened? Watch what I did. Price comes here, we edge the low, okay? We edge, this is my target, we edge the low. We do a big candle, this scared me out. We start like chopping a little bit and we start going. When we fail to deliver higher, ES did the same thing. I don't care, bro. We are so bearish on the 1 hour, we're just bearish trending. On the 4 hour, we're doing the same. I don't care, I'm gonna short this. I did the same thing on Wednesday. And anybody that took wins this week did the same, you know? So when we started reversing here, I took the first one at 98. So I took my first position at 98.7 or something. Yeah, I took my first position here, okay? This was my position. I think, yeah, my stop loss was here. No, my stop loss was here. My bad. Yeah, I was a 1-to-1. I put 5 contracts here. When this candle closed and this went up, I put 5 contracts again. 5 contracts again. And then my break even went like here or something. I don't remember exactly, but then I moved my SL here, right? And then because it was like 1,000 and $100 loss or something, so I would have like 400 left on the account. And then we started printing this new candle, and I added 1 1 1, so I had added 3 more. And then when we went down here, when we closed this candle, I added 3 more. So my break even was here, and I was like, okay, I don't care. And then I didn't care, like I was gonna go all in. I was trusting on that draw, you know, we're not gonna edge it twice. So yeah, we came, we just swept it. Banger, you know, banger. I was so happy with the trade of the day. For me, it was no fucking doubt the best trade of the week. So this is the recap of the best trade of the week by far for me. The second best was on Wednesday, which was, we did the same shit basically. We just failed to deliver higher. Oh shit, wait. Wednesday. Oh yeah, that was it. Yeah, so that was it. I entered Wednesday. I entered right here. Fuck you. I didn't care. We failed to deliver to these draws here, and for me, like there was no way. You know, my TP was here or something. My SL was there. Boom, bang to that trade as well. That one was the one that I got $820, and I was 350 left to pass. But then I failed. Then I lost the next one, right? Trying to pass it on the same day, which was right to do because I had my drawdown bigger because I took a win on the day, so nothing changed on my drawdown. You know, if I waited for the next day and I lost the next day, I was gonna have 350 removed from the 2,000. So I had to send it on that day. It was just smart for me to do it. But yeah, that was the recap of the week. Like I said, the most stressful week of my life. No, not my life, but like of the last 6 months easily. And I definitely over traded this week. I got so emotional this week. I still managed to not fuck myself over. You know, like I did over trade. I did got emotional, but I managed to not lose my complete mind and fuck myself. You know, like I was calculating my emotionalness. If you know what I'm saying, but definitely not ideal. I mean, ended up, you know, really good in the week because I passed my evals. Oh yeah. Yeah, no, I passed my evals, and yeah, and these, I mean, it doesn't matter. Like, it doesn't matter. I already took two pairs from them. One of them is fine. The other one is a little bit chopped. So I need to see what I'm gonna need to do with them. I don't have money right now to pay my activation fees because I had to borrow money for my dad. I had to give money for my dad, yeah. So I don't have money to pay the activation fees because he's paying like some car, a car that we got for the family now. Anyway, doesn't matter. So yeah, I need to trade my XFAs next week. No choice. I have no money to pay the activation fees. So yeah, I'm ready to trade them. I don't know why Top Step is not counting like I passed this one. It's been already quite some time, man, and we're still like on this shit. Like, just update it. This is my look. This is my P&L from Wednesday. Like, Wednesday I was like that. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what the fuck you're doing, but yeah, that was it. I hope you guys understood what I was saying. I know I kind of rushed a little bit of the video, but it's because I'm going to the gym. So peace out, and yes, evals passed. All good. See you.